Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to allow only the people you follow to tag you in TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have complete control over who can tag you in their TikTok videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to the Interactions section and tap on Mentions and Tags. Step 7. You'll see Tags. Tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select People you follow. By following these simple steps, you will have the ability to allow only the people you follow to tag you in their TikTok videos. This feature provides you with better control over your TikTok interactions and ensures a more personalized TikTok experience. We hope you find this guide helpful in customizing your TikTok tagging settings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tutorials and guides.